I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel banner so that your channel looks more professional. And the best part about it is that you don't need any fancy expensive software, you don't need a big computer, and you don't even need graphic design skills. Seriously, anyone can do this. So we are going to jump on my computer so that I can show you how. Sounds amazing? Let's learn together. So the very first thing you need to do is you have to go to the website canva.com. So this is a free online tool. It's easy drag and drop tool you can use to create your YouTube banner. Step number 1 is you need to click here, create, and search here YouTube banner. So it will give you several options. So we need to select this one, YouTube banner. Now we have our blank canvas. So inside templates we have premium templates. Right now I'm using the free version of Canva, and this symbol, this crown symbol, shows that this template is for pro version, right? So if you're just starting out, you don't need a pro version. You can create your perfect YouTube banner using the free version of Canva. So you can select any of the banner you like. If you are going to create a YouTube channel around your name and you are going to grow your personal brand, then I would suggest that you simply need to pick something really simple and minimalistic. Let's say we pick this one. And one very important thing you need to consider here, that in actual YouTube banner, this is the area that will be visible in both the mobile devices and the desktop devices. So first off, let's go to YouTube and let me show you what a channel banner looks like. For example, let's say this is my channel. So this is the YouTube banner. Okay, so right now if you see here, it's a simple banner with my name and a tagline that shows what this channel is about. So on this channel I am publishing content, sharing my YouTube journey, and inspire other aspiring YouTubers to start their YouTube channel and be their own boss, quit their 9 to 5 job and live the life on their own terms. So this is the main topic or main goal of this channel. So I'm just writing it here and I'm using this crown here, so that shows that you will be your own boss and you have a crown on your head, right? So on the background is simply black. Let's say we follow the same thing. We can simply select this external area and we can delete this thing. So this is deleted. I think this is too much crowdy. Okay, I don't want to use this image. You can just simply click, select, and delete all things. Let's say we remove everything, create simple banner just like mine. So let's say the background, if you are happy with this background color, then you are good to go. Otherwise, if you want to use another color, you simply go here, you can simply click here and select the color you want, right? And drag the slider like this. Let's say you want red color for your banner background. Let's say this is the one you like. Okay, so then I click on the text. I can use my name. Let's say your name is Michael Moore. Okay, and I will delete this little text. I will select this text and drag it a little bit, and then I will want to increase its size. Okay, this text is a lot bigger. size. Okay, and you can also change the font from here. Let's say I like to have some, stylized, non-traditional and stylish, modern looking font. Let's say let's try this one. This one. Okay. Let's try something else. Like mine is this one. You can go with, I think, so these fonts are for pro version, okay, but these fonts are available for free version as well. Free version. So let's say this is the one. Okay, let's say we change the size to maybe, let's say this is the one you like. Good. And here you can write about the goal of your channel, the main purpose of your channel. Okay, let's see, to give you the tools for a bossless life, right? Let's say this is something that you are passionate about for your channel. Okay, that's it. So you can play around with this thing. Yes, we can add some maybe image like down. Okay, these are available for pro version. So I think this was the one that I have used for my channel. Let's pick this one and let's change the color to yellow. Let's change the color to the slider this area where we have yellow. Change the size a little bit, and we can tilt using this section here, and we can move like here, right? So this is it. So this is I think you can play around, with the text, with the text size, with the images. You can add a lot of things, but I personally feel that a banner should be minimalistic. It should have your channel name, and it should have your tagline, the main goal of your channel, right? So nothing fancy. It should look great. It should be perfect. Okay, I think it should be smaller. Let's say move it a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we simply have to download this banner by clicking here, share, click on download, click on download, and that's it. Your channel banner is ready to use. That's it. So this is a perfect channel banner for your personal brand YouTube channel. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about creating your YouTube channel, your channel banner, coming up with the ideas for your YouTube videos or anything like that. I'm Azeem Ahmad, and I see you in the next video. Bye.